What's up, guys? So I wanted to show you guys how quick this literally happens when you're trading. So I already know the high of day is 162. So of course, I want to jump in above this green line, right? I already identified the stock that I'm going to trade. It's 9:29, 37 seconds. The bell is about to ring at 9:30, and this one's a small win, but I just wanted to show you guys kind of how quick things happen. All right. So watch this. I'm going to hit the play button and boom. Watch this. So my order is placed for 163 because I'm trading breakouts. And as you can see, watch this. It's almost 9:30. All right. So my order's in. You can see this little triangle there. I actually got in 162. And now I'm watching it. It went up this high, and I see it's having some problems, so I sold. As you can see, that's how fast it was. So I jumped in basically right there, and I sold right there. This one's a small win, but yeah, I just saw that it was having some issues going above um, this line right there, so I just kind of got out really quick. And as you can see, good thing I did that because it slammed back down. Yeah, day trading, you got to be able to make quick decisions. You got to be able to get in and get out very fast. You know what I mean? And look what happened. It just slammed to the ground. But once you learn the strategy, it's very, very easy. It's just you got to follow these rules. You got to be like quick. You can't hesitate. You just got to take action. And it's not really difficult. Like people think it's very hard to start trading. I mean, if you know what stock to identify, if you know how to identify the stocks, all you got to do is wait for it to hit go time. This green line, I call it go time. So you know when the lights turn green, you punch it. So as you can see, you know, I'm I'm in and out with my hotkeys. So I'm placing my order. Let's see this one more time. So the minute it's approaching this line, it's about to be 9:30 and it's very close to the breaking point. I'm jumping in. I'm jumping in. And as you can see, the minute it hits 9:30, boom, volume kicks in, boom, it explodes. And then I see it having some issues over here. I see it having issues. It's pulling back, so I sell. And that's how quick things happen. But this is a profit. It's a small profit. Not my biggest win of the day, but um, this was one of my wins for today. All right, so just wanted to make this quick video. Hope you guys got some value out of this one. Again, if you guys want to learn how to day trade, hit me up. If you guys want to learn how to do virtual real estate deals, because I'm doing real estate deals out of state, everything is done from my house, from my computer, from my laptop. A lot of the times I'm in bed laying down and doing and day trading, and also um, um, doing some real estate deals just by email. So right now I just finished trading. What I'm about to do now is I have my buddy. He's actually pulling lists for me right now, and he's actually list stacking those lists for me. Once he stacks them, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go and skip trace those lists. Once we skip trace those lists, we're gonna start blast texting, blast RVM, and then we're gonna cold call them. My boy Brian, he's doing pretty good on the phones, and he's gonna be cold calling, and I think I'm gonna be cold calling as well. So we're progressing. Again, real estate is more of a slower process because you can't make money every day. So that's why I day trade. So I day trade for about an hour per day, no more than that. And then from that point on, I jump over to the real estate side. You can do both. There's no reason for you to not be able to do both. I use one strategy for both. I do virtual wholesaling, and then I do day trading. So This year though, I want to buy and hold some properties because that's my I've been wholesaling for quite some time. I've made some money, and then with the day trading, I've made some money. So now um I want some monthly income coming in. So I want to buy and hold some properties. I love the fast money. I love the quick money. It's not really about money all the time, but with the real estate, I just try to solve people's problems and help them out. If I can help them and we both win, then we make it happen. But at the same time, you know, you got to do both. You got to learn how to do both because sometimes the real estate is slow and sometimes the stock market is slow. So, you know, it's good to do both. I like both. I love both. That's why I do both. All right. So, anyways, that's it for now. If you guys got any value out of this, hit the like button, hit the share button, and also if you have any questions, just send me an email or comment below, and I'll be able to help you guys out. Um, but yeah, learn how to do this. It's very important. I mean, this is 1 minute. Made a small profit on this one, but this one wasn't my. I traded two stocks today. This one was one of the small wins, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys how quick things go. I mean, within 1 minute, you can make a nice little profit for yourself. I'm typically buying 3,000 shares at a time, and then I'm selling real quick. So, in and out. All right, talk to you guys later.